Hi friends, welcome to my channel, A Woman of Action. Today I have come with a new topic. These are golden words of a common teacher. If you give me a slow learner, I'll surely make him or her a fast learner by following ways. First, I will diagnose the student and the treatment starts. I make him or her to sit beside fast learner and give special attention. I will guide the parent of the child to take care of at home also. Explain repeated times to make him or her understand the topic. Find out an extra time for the particular child. A bit of motivation can do by regular monitoring. A positive encouragement makes himself or herself energetic to learn. Free them from fear by not scolding, threatening, beating, insulting, or neglecting. I mean no punishment of any sort. A teacher needs a facilitator to support such a pupils, but each teacher has different strategy to follow in this particular issue. How nice it is if you follow all this correctly. Surely it will help the pupils to develop, to learn, or to become successful. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Bye. See you.